We have our first caller on the line for the evening. Makrand Khare has dialed in from Mumbai. Makrand, how can we help you?
Yeah, good evening. Thanks for taking my call. I have actually three questions. We want to buy a 2 BHK flat, approximately 700 square feet carpet area
Okay.
in Chembur East or Vadala localities. And our budget is about 2 crore.
Okay.
And we would like to have possession by end of 2017, I mean within next 1.5 years.
Within 2017.
Yeah, by the end of
Okay.
2017. So this is my first question. Second question would be, what will be the weighted average price for resale apartment in these areas?
Okay. Two very interesting questions there, and I like the way he asked for the weighted average price. Akash, take it away. He's looking at Chembur and Vadala. He wants possession latest by December 2017. What would you recommend? Should he go in for a property? Are there properties that are nearing possession around that time, or should he look at the resale market instead?
See, Kavita, if you look at the properties which are nearing completion, I think the prices are on the higher side. I think if you talk about Chembur and Vadala, the prices normally ranges upward of 16,000-17,000 rupees a square feet. But if you look at the properties which are good properties coming out with the good developers like Godrej and Vadhavan, the prices are very much reasonable in the range of around 15,000 rupees to 16,000 rupees a square feet, and he in a 2 BHK size he can get a better size rather than the 700 to 800 square feet. He can get a size of around 1100 to 1300 square feet, and that would definitely fit in his budget also of around 2 crores. So both these properties ranges between 1.9 to 2.3 crores. But if you look at the ready-to-move-in property, I don't think that he's going to get very good quality developments in a budget of 2 crores, because most of these properties are either very old properties and the sizes are the bigger one.
Right. And in fact, also look at the charts that we are showing you right now. You can see that Chembur is priced at an average of around 17,904 rupees per square foot. Prices have gone up 5%. Now, in fact, Chembur is slowly becoming, it's not slowly, I mean, it is one of the hottest markets in the city at the moment as we speak. A lot of infrastructure has come in the past couple of years over there. Vadala is trending at around 21,022 rupees per square foot. So that's quite a huge difference. So you really need to choose over there. Akash, what would you pick between Chembur and Vadala?
See, it all depends upon the usage. If I'm looking at the end user and if I'm looking at the nearing to the developed areas, I would choose Vadala. And if I am looking at the developing market and the locations which is going to come up in another 3 to 4 years and with a good project, then I would choose Chembur.
Right. You're saying developing market, which is quite a strange definition for Chembur. I mean, of course, Chembur has seen a lot of infrastructure development in the past couple of years. But I mean, nobody would deny the fact that it is the center of Mumbai. It is the heart of Mumbai. You can't get a better location than that. Of course, with all that infrastructure development also to boot. So yeah, so Vadala, if you're willing to pay a little over the top, and if you're looking for something that is already established, Chembur, like Akash says, you can still see some growth in that market.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.